If you are building reports in Power BI Desktop, this one is for you. Page navigation. It sounds simple, but when you are managing a report with dozens of pages and you need to get them in order before you publish, it gets messy fast. Check out a quick tip that our team put together that most Power BI users don't know about.
So on this report, we have 40 pages, and say we're at the end of our report development and we want to go and publish this to the service and share it with the rest of our organization. But our pages are out of order and disjointed from one another, where they might be related. If I wanted to rearrange these, the normal way would be to come down to the bottom here where our different pages are displayed and pick whatever page I want to move, click on it, hold it, and then drag it to the location where I want it to live in order. Now, that's fine when you have a few pages, but as you can see here, our other pages go off of this little area here. Like, you can't fit them all in one view. So if I wanted this page that I'm on now, my new visual page, to be towards the front of the report, one of the earlier pages, I would need to drag and drop multiple times. And so when I get to the end, I have to page over, and then sometimes you can't even see it, like right now. So I have to go back a little bit and you can see that it's here. And you have to repeat this process over and over. And it's quite cumbersome. Luckily, there is a keyboard shortcut that we can use. You can hit Tab, and that will actually allow you to interact with different sections of Power BI Desktop. But when we're clicked on the pages down here, and I click Tab, you can see a little white border has appeared around the page that I have highlighted. And what this allows me to do is navigate using my keyboard. So I can use my left and right arrows to go between different pages. And if I hit space, it will actually make that page appear. So that's one use. The main use that I find of this is to move pages. So when I have my page highlighted, I can hold Ctrl and Shift and then use my left and right arrow keys to move the page as I was doing earlier with the drag and drop. So now I'm going to move this page towards the front of the report. So I'm going to go about 40 pages up. Just clicking the left arrow key, you can see it moving along on the bottom there. I'm going to go all the way to the front. There it is. And now I'll let go, and it has remained in place. So for instance, I want to use this last page. So I want this page to be the last page of my report. I will just hold Ctrl and Shift, and then use my arrow keys to get it where it needs to go. There we go. So for some reason, when we go to the right, towards the back, this doesn't scroll with it as it did before. But still a lot easier than using the drag and drop.
Small shortcuts like that add up, especially when you are managing large, complex reports under a deadline. At Collectiv, we work with teams at every stage of their Power BI journey, whether that is hands-on training to level up your analysts or full-scale report development and architecture support. If you want your team building better reports faster, we would love to connect.